Hey guys, it's Apollo here, and today I'm doing an unboxing of the 1-1 skill high grade Earthree Gundam. Alright, here is the box itself. Now, school just reopened, so I'm not really much into building models anymore until my school is down for the break. So yeah, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna really build this or maybe build the kit during my school days, but I don't know. There is like a three long weekend like next week, so I probably might build on that day. If not, I might build it in December. So don't expect a review anytime soon. So yeah, I'm just doing unboxing first. So yeah, here's Earthree Gundam. So I actually got this today from the hobby store. I was originally planning to get the Earthree from the Gundam Expo, which was this. I paid like about $19 for this. So the Expo was selling like around like $3 more. So I was about to get this at Expo until I realized the hobby store got it first, like a day before it's actually sold in the Expo. So yeah, I'm happy I got an Expo because I don't usually go to Expo to buy kits there unless there's stuff on sale, or the fact that it has like exclusive stuff in there. So if there's a case, I'll buy those stuff there. But yeah, Earthree Gundam. Now I asked the shop owner, and he said well, he didn't really get a lot of stock for the Earthree Gundam because he felt that it's not really popular. It's not really, not a lot of people like the concept of the Earthree, which I kind of totally understand because the concept is actually silly, but I personally like the Earthree Gundam's concept, and it's not original. I can tell right now, it's not the original like concept design of the concept that's the gimmick of this kit really. So it is, but when it first as I showed, yeah, it looks pretty cool. They did have the other two versions, the Mars 4 and V2, which are like only you get the core Gundam in different colors and the armor. The only problem is that you get the weapons separately. Yeah. Okay, so this my box. I just got today. I'm really excited, really. So, yep, Earthree Gundam. There's the front shot. There's the core Gundam. There's the Earth armor. You know, Earthree. Kind of a weird name, but it's still cool. On the side here, we have the actions. We see the core Gundam with the Earth armor, and we combine. Basically, I can never understand how the parts in the anime float and then combine. Like, I don't know, but if it works that way, then yeah, it's still anime, so whatever, and it's not real. Yeah, and stuff you can do, and they say basically they're trying to promote the core Gundam. Basically, you can take like different armor parts from different oh crap, I'm pretty far. Sorry guys, I'm really tired today because I just came back from school. So I went to school, when it was over, I went to the store, pick up, and come back, just do the unboxing. So basically, you can get the other core Gundam sets basically. So you can get the Mars 4, V2, the other two like the new announced one, and you can customize with the core Gundam. I personally Earthree, Mars 4, V2 not so much. I just like the concept because rifle shoots what so Gundams would do. I mean, I know it's interesting to have melee or like heavy assault, ground assault basically, but it is what it is. Yep. Does not mention the price. It's 1,400 yen. 1,400 yen. Yeah, 1,400 yen. Right. So in the box, let's see the side. So I'll get the tape open if I can get the freaking. There we go. Sorry, guys. I kind of sinus today for some reason. Yeah, I've not seen the inside of this box like yet. So. Yep. Okay. Okay. So in the box. First pack, we got a sticker. Not a lot, which is pretty good. I mean, I don't really need to do a lot of painting in this kit. You got an 8-painted multicolored runner. You got most of the armor for the Earth armor and some of the core Gundam. It says here, a planet system. Yeah, this is basically what the core Gundam utilizes, so they can change with different armor. Yep. So we got the red, the blue, the one clear green piece for the part of the chest of the core Gundam, and then the yellow parts. poly caps, the newer style ones, they're pretty good. The beam sabers, yeah, and I've not seen these in quite a while. It's like, ugh, they're like warped. That's not good. Yeah, they're warped. It's not good, but anyway. Yeah. So, and on the back we have the plan system, basically the main core block of the armor, and then you get the weapons. I know that's definitely the Earthree, definitely. You got the feet, you got the shield part, you got the stand for the Earth armor. So, and the last part we have the B1 plate, which is all the white parts. Mostly for the Earthree, and then the other side, the other half is for the core Gundam. On the back we have the C plate, which is all the joints and the black parts of the core Gundam, and the weapon as well. Okay. We have some instructions from the Gunpla. You have a lot of these already. Alright, manual. Yeah, basically, yeah, it is the manual instruction. It basically tells you about the Earthree and the core Gundam, and it's the model number if you're interested. You want to read that. You go and pause and read what you want. You done? Good. Okay. I've done that well. On the back we have the customized plan, as you see it right there. Yep, and yeah, basically the customization options you get. Yeah, so it is fully customizable, so it's not really huge. It is. Oh, there's bigger than expected. That's interesting. Yeah, we got the parts. You got the instructions, parts count, and then you start with the. Trying to stretch. You start the body, the head, the waist, which is interesting. We start with the arms, the legs, the weapons, and then you make the Earth armor. And yeah, basically, how do I do this? Okay, good. And basically, you got the combination of the Earthree Gundam, and there's more on right there. Yep. So yeah, that's an unboxing of the high-grade Earthree Gundam. Well, I'm not gonna build this immediately because fortunately I need to focus on school and I feel school is really important, so can't really do much. I'll try to build it like for long holiday next week. So do expect like a expect like a review sometime. But I'm no guarantee I'm gonna do a review anytime soon. So by the time I do the review, I'm probably sure there's like a lot more people doing the reviews out there. But it is what it is. So yeah, that's all, guys. Thanks for watching this unboxing, and stay tuned for more videos. Peace out.